Ka menteri ketenat ke kot ke khia kong amprin lingdo hinin ke sngi ila ong baki don lai pu pratali ki jai Ktien Jong ki jela per ki baha bapo Kynthup ke ban sha penrung ha ke krenet ke bapra bat la kentu ya baro ki Seng Sain Pyrthei ki banyakun ha ke election lok sabha usnam ajar aposau ban Kynthup ya ke Jingdawa ha ki mat Jingkular Jong ki Agajuk ke por menteri la pentep ba iwei ibalit puli ya ke MBBS na East Giant Hills ila sya kentaj ban yo ya ke seat na ke baha jong ke jela jong ke on reserve seat hadien ba deputy commissioner ulakmi benya ya ke permanent resident certificate bala syam ba kenia ke kena puli kamlong ke bebet ban yo ya ke PRC ya ke ne ke seat an sa IT no syaki bebut nadien ki badon ha ke waiting list ha ke kerdan on reserve seat
that Khasi of the state, indigenous language of the state of Meghalaya, is one of the 38 listed languages that are awaiting the assent for submission of amendment to the parliament, both the Lok Sabha as well as the Rajya Sabha. Became controversial because of several details that were indicated to government at that point of time. We have sent the provisional PRCs to the various districts, giving them an instruction that henceforth there shall be no more issuance of a provisional certificate.